What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another Cascade video. And today is the day. The amount of time, money, back and forth to get that exposed carbon fiber body kit perfect for that car. The day is finally here, guys. Let's skip all the BS and get that shit open. I ain't cheating, guys. I didn't open it. All I did was take the screws off. So let's do an unboxing video. Let's go. Okay, initial impressions. I don't know. Everything's wrapped, but let's kind of just like take a little peek. So I know just by the shape, that's the rear bumper. These are the front quarters, side skirts, another front quarter over there. But guys, this one, of course, is at the very bottom, the front bumper. Oh my, dude, I can just tell, guys, just the pictures, man. I saw a bunch of pictures as it was being built, but the pictures, like the depth of like the front splitter to like the inside of the bumper. Oh my god. Oh. All right, we're gonna start with basically whatever comes out first. So it looks like the rear bumper. Okay, never mind. Not getting the front bumper first. Getting whatever this is. Actually, I know what this is. Okay, I don't know what this is, but maybe it's the part of the wing. But this one, you can tell by the shape, side skirt. Very slight. Be very careful. Very, very careful. So while we're undoing this, guys, let me tell you the difference compared to the other DTM kits out there. So number one, obviously, this is exposed carbon fiber. Never been done before. That's obviously a huge plus. And you'll see when we start unboxing here, some parts of the body kit we did do different to make it a little bit more like, add a little bit more depth and aggressiveness, if that makes sense. Just to make clear, it's not the same thing as like all the other ones out there. Okay guys, we are down to the paper. Oh, I don't want to, dude, I'm so, why am I so scared right now? Oh, let's just take a little peek. Oh my god. Oh my god, dude. Oh dude, holy. Sorry guys, I'm gonna be like stuttering this whole video because that's just how excited I am. Just get to it. Damn, dude. Holy fucking Christ. Oh my god, dude. This is too nice for you. It's too nice for you. Oh my goodness, guys. Man, I wish I had a wider lens, but check out the craftsmanship on the carbon. Oh. Alright guys, I'm gonna do a little flex right here. So, you know how, sometimes when you order carbon fiber pieces, the front, obviously, excuse me, I don't know what the hell happened there, is exposed carbon fiber, right? But sometimes when you flip the back, you see the fiberglass. Nope, not here. All beautiful, beautiful carbon fiber. This goes on right here, or replaces the stock side skirt just like that. So normally, obviously, like I said, not carbon, but there is more to just this one piece right here. So I think that's what was on that other box over there. So I'll show you what I mean. This part right here is the second part of the side skirt, specifically made just for the Cascade kit. And it may just look like a flat piece of carbon, but trust me, this adds like so much more depth when you're looking at it from the side. And let me put it on the other piece and then let me show you guys. This is obviously two pieces, right? So it just simply goes like this. Something like that. So you see what I'm talking about, guys? It just like adds so much more depth when you're looking at it from the side. And of course, it doesn't look that how do I say it? That much more aggressive on the camera, of course. But just remember, Like this is what kind of bothered me on the original kit. So obviously the entire front quarter is being replaced, right? And you have your over fender on the rear. So in my opinion, it looked like, you know, the car obviously is wider, and I didn't like how it went out, and then when it came to the side of the car, it just tucked back in as if it was almost stock. So I want to keep that wide body width even from the front all the way to the back, and that, my friends, is how we're gonna do it. A great piece of work. And yeah, right now it doesn't look too bad. I mean, it doesn't look too like, whoa, like what's the difference? But trust me, when it's on the car, it'll make a huge difference. So first difference, carbon. Second difference, side skirt plus the side skirt extension. And also guys, this may not seem like a big deal, but trust me guys, for those of you who have dealt with aftermarket body kits, you will thank me for this one. So you see here how you have the little rivet marks. Yes, they're not pre-drilled because, you know, the diameter depends on you, but it is the exact same hole marks or holes that are on this one. So it is that easy just to put on, and I made sure that whoever did this had to, I don't want to go through the guess of like, oh, okay, marking with a pen, just kind of guess. You know what I mean, guys? Like this is so important to me. And well, if it doesn't work out, then this part of the video won't go up, but I'm pretty sure it will work out just fine because I made that clear from the very beginning. And yeah, let's move on. So next up here, guys, is I think maybe my second, or definitely one of my most favorite parts and most exciting parts of the kit in carbon is the front quarter panel. Damn! Dude, I don't know what to say, guys. Oh my god. Oh, just hang this on the wall, guys. Damn. So light. Guys, just, can you guys tell? Like the craftsmanship of the weave is just so good. And then, like I said before, guys, you gotta appreciate like when you find a body part that is not just like fiberglass with just like the final thin layer of carbon and then saying it's carbon fiber. As you can tell by the first layer of the weave is also carbon. So this is all carbon fiber. Oh. And then the moment of truth. Oh my. Oh, holy shit, guys. First of all, oh, you're scratching the other fender. I don't give a fuck about this fender, okay? In fact, fuck that fender. I cannot wait to mount this thing on, man. And then look, guys, look. This one is pre-drilled. So look at that. Pre-drilled holes matching the factory one here. So theoretically, just bolt this off, bolt this on. Next up, guys, we have the rear bumper. So like I said, guys, this is the rear bumper. Now, the first thing you might be asking yourself is, why is it black? Well, to be completely honest, guys, I didn't feel like it was worth the time and the cost to do exposed carbon fiber for the rear bumper, because regardless if it was carbon fiber or just fiberglass, I would be painting the whole thing anyway. However, for those of you who might be thinking, so that's the part of the kit that's fiberglass? It's not fiberglass, okay? Let me show you. So as you can see here, it's still carbon fiber, guys. So if you're thinking to yourself, well, if it's already carbon fiber, why can't it be exposed? Well, because when you're doing exposed carbon fiber, guys, it's a lot harder, a lot more expensive, because you will mess up, and you gotta make sure the weave is matching, right? Because it's exposed carbon fiber. And now, as you can see, guys, like the weave is not matching on this one, but I don't care because it's not exposed. But yeah, you get where I'm going with this, guys. So It's gonna get painted, so that's why it's black. And the next piece we have here is part of the over fender kit for the back of the car. Now again, for those of you who are not, saying, oh, it's not carbon fiber. Yes, it is. Just like the rear bumper, whether it was exposed or not exposed, I would paint it anyway. I'm not quite sure what this one is. So, oh, never mind, I do know what that is. Can't show you that yet. And this, guys, this is a rear wing. Also, one of my favorite parts of the kit, and let me tell you why right now. Damn. Guys, check this wing out. I mean, this is a 90 cars in the 90s. It's like a triple, 1, 2, 3, a triple layer wing. Like, damn. Closer look. Look at that. Look at that. This is obviously for sure staying exposed carbon. Let me give you guys a little side angle here. All right, guys, and now the absolute best part of the kit is the front bumper. Before I unwrap it, let me just show you guys a little side view here. Can you guys like tell like how much it just like penetrates forward, if that makes sense? All right. Enough is enough. Let's get this thing unwrapped. Oh my god, that's a lot of carbon fiber. Oh my god. This is so surreal, guys. Like, oh my god. The absolute best part of the kit. I mean, oh my god. Can you guys like tell like the depth of this thing? Like it just like it's gotta be like at least like 6 inches from the original mounting points. And of course, the pre-drilled mounting holes, so you know you're mounting it correctly. Let's just take a step back and let's B-roll this thing, boys. Let's go. So believe it or not, guys, it actually gets even better than this. So, not bagging on this specific style of the front bumper or anything, but you know, it looks like something's missing right here. You know what I'm talking about? So, just like, and that's what I'm talking about. Oh my goodness, guys. I had these specifically made for this car. It is not a universal canard. It is molded specifically to this shape right here, and when we put the front quarter on, you will see that the front canard flows with the line of the car. But check that out. Like, it's so crazy how like little small stuff like this like makes an absolutely huge difference. So you guys saw it for yourself, the body kit for the first time. This one will be available in both fiberglass and exposed carbon fiber, just like this. So the next thing we gotta do is hurry up and mock specifically the quarter panels, both front and back on the car, so we can get offset measurements for the wheels. And we're gonna slap on, we got the big brake kit from Yellow Speed, same as the suspension. So yeah, guys, we're getting there, and now I think you guys will see the car like come to life now. So until next time, guys, have a good one. Get yourself a cascade flannel, and I'll see you guys later.